who's going to deliver the concluding statement, allow me to acknowledge also the people behind or the back office of the We Group of companies of which Q Foods Corporation is a part. Our certified public accountant who handles the money and she's our controller, Ma'am Luz Enat, at tungatagan sa Masipang Pagpag. And our human resource manager is with us as well. We have here Julius. And our compliance department head, we have, kasi mo bisita niya sa mga opisina kay para sa compliance board. We have Miss Tracy, may guntan. That girl over there, she's not our tour guide. She's part of us. And siyempre ka rubber shoes ka. She is our PR liaison / corporate nurse, Miss Donna Borja Aparecio, Ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, it is my honor as well to introduce to you, to deliver the concluding remarks or the concluding statement. We have the owner of the winning bidder who are going to contract this, Miss or Engineer Jonah Y. Suasilio.